Alright, Banana Cat, we're at the forest. But is it true that Smurf Cat will be found in this place? I'm pretty sure because I think I saw him yesterday. So we need to go look for him. Wait a minute. Is that him right down here? Hold on, let me see. Oh my god, that really is him. Wait a minute. I think I know you guys. You do? Yep, my name is Maxwell. Maxwell? Yes. How I became Smurf Cat? I don't know how I became Smurf Cat. But the only way for me to get back to normal is eating an apple. An apple? Wait a minute. Apple Cat, are you an apple? Ah, shit.